Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing. Make sure you have physical access to the device and, when required, admin credentials. Once done, identify the browser and version because steps differ between Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and Safari. Next, enable any necessary extensions or system-level logging tools. These capture activity outside the browser's Incognito session. I'll show why each step matters. Extensions persist data differently, and system logs can record DNS or network requests that reveal incognito searches. You now collect the evidence. Route traffic through a local proxy or VPN that logs DNS and HTTPS requests, because incognito only prevents local browser history, not network logs. Alternatively, install a monitoring extension before opening an incognito window. Some extensions can still log activity if granted permission. Make sure to check router or DNS logs for domain lookups and review OS network logs. These will show which search engines or sites were contacted, even when browser history is private. Finish by correlating timestamps across proxy, router, and system logs to reconstruct incognito searches. This gives you site-level and often query-level insight. Once correlated, export the data as CSV or JSON for review and remove unnecessary sensitive fields. If you can't find entries, make sure logging was active during the session, time zones matched, and no encrypted DNS or privacy features blocked logs. If issues persist, rerun the capture with explicit logging, enabled, and test with a known search query.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.